Welcome back to Me and You. This is Costco Keep or Return, where we hunt down new products, test them out, and decide if it's worth it or if they're going back. It's a typical Friday night, browsing the aisles of Costco and somehow leaving with something random. This time, this is what caught our eye, the Turtle Wax Restore and Renew Wipes. It is $12.99 for a pack of 12. So for those that don't have a calculator handy, that is about $1.08 per wipe. Turtle Wax, for those who are not familiar, is a reputable company that specializes in car care products. This is what it claims, that it will work on hard water spots, scratches and oxidation, and hazy headlights. It's good for the home, auto, and marine, and also works great on chrome, watercraft, and plexiglass. Will wipe away paint transfer, brake dust stains, and bathroom spots. Basically, one wipe does it all. Sounds a little too good to be true, but we are excited to test it out. Let's get to the unboxing. Problem with packaging like this is that if they suck, there will be no way to return this nicely. But Costco doesn't really care about that. They want your satisfaction guarantee. This is not good. They package it this way so that you feel bad returning it. So we've got like your wipes, and it comes with one pair of nitrile gloves. So first up, hard water spots. They say they work in bathrooms, and we do have a bathroom. So instead of going to the car, we're gonna head straight for the shower door. Normally, our shower is sparkly clean. However, for filming and testing purposes, we have left these hard water stains to really test out the full potential of these Renew and Restore wipes. So first step, we're gonna put on our gloves. Our surface is washed and cleaned and dry. It says to open up, unfold your wipe. It's only yay big. So now we just wipe in circular motions or back and forth motions. Ready? Wax on, wax off. Use full pressure. When the compound becomes transparent, the water in the formula has evaporated, making the polishing wipe concentrated and fully active. Yeah, this is already working better than some of the cleaning products we have purchased for the purposes of the bathroom. Full hand pressure and massage the wipe over the entire surface for several minutes or until the surface appears restored. All right, so one wipe will probably cover 2 by 2 feet of surface area. So once we've done that, it says to use a microfiber towel, wipe off your excess residue. Can you see me now? It's so clear. It really worked. Again, for testing purposes only, we have left these hard water stains on our chrome, and we're gonna go right for it. Circular or back and forth. Rub and tug. All right, so for about 5 minutes of rubbing, tugging, and wiping, I'm going to wipe away with the microfiber towel, and wow. Test 1, pass. Now let's really take it to where it's supposed to really shine, the cars. Next, we have light scratches. To my off-roading people, do you really off-road if you don't have a few battle scars? If your rig is too clean, we're judging you a little. So we are obviously serious off-roaders here. We've got battle scars throughout the whole side of the car. From the front to the back, we've got light scratches going all along the way. Okay, we're going to try to get rid of these light scratches, or at least improve the look a little. Okay, we're going to test it on this area, these here. Here we go. So we're going to firm pressure, rub it in. Full pressure, jiggle, jiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Will this work on wrinkles? Just kidding. Once it starts evaporating, you want to continue working the solution in. Keep rubbing. Wow, this is nice and clean. Yeah, our rig is just too clean. I can do this all day. Turtle Wax sent me a whole bottle. I'll do this all over the car. So like I was able to kind of cover this whole panel, this area right here. It's like so clean. Where did the scratch go? I don't see any of the scratches. It looks so good. I want to do this to the whole car. Like, I think this is so fun. And then you just take your microfiber towel and wipe away any of the residue. Do we really off-road? Now it makes our car looks like a mall rig. Like we just go to Costco in it every day. Daily Costco rig. After testing, it will erase some of your lighter scratches or drastically improve the appearance of some of your darker, deeper scratches. So this is like a magic eraser for your car. I kind of view it like a magic eraser combo with a shout wipe that's like conveniently in a pouch that you can take on the go. Pass. So the next test we have is the hazy headlight, or in our case, the fog light on the Land Cruiser. It has seen better days. We're gonna use the Adams Polishes Detail Spray to clean it off. Not sponsored yet. Go ahead and reach out to us, Adams. Here we go. Rub it in, circular motions or back and forth. This is quite the arm workout. Full pressure. What is this sorcery? What kind of magic is going on here? It is like almost a brand new fog light. It is $1 a wipe, so it took me $1. Not bad. If it takes $1 to restore a headlight or a fog light, how much would you pay normally to get someone to detail your car? Hundreds of dollars, right? Oh my God, I can make this into a business. Who needs their fog light headlights restored? Now you take your microfiber towel, COSTCO. That looks nice. I am impressed. Another pass. We have used headlight repair kits before. We'll link a video up there, and that worked really well, except it was more pricey and it required a power tool. This is just so easy and so fast and inexpensive. It took me like $1 a headlight. And now finally for our last test, we have the oxidation and trim. We are going to test it out here on the Evo. The trim is a little bit faded, showing its age. Make sure you have a clean surface and wipe away. Circular motions. So it's starting to evaporate. The white compound is starting to turn clear, and just continue rubbing it. Microfiber towel, wiping off our excess. Does look much better. It's not staying quite as shiny black, but it is much better than it was before. I mean, pretty good for a 5-minute, rub job for a little quickie. Oxidation and trim, pass. For a little over $1 a wipe, this really does a great job. It's not going to replace your full detail or a proper correction. For quick touch-ups or keeping it in your car, this comes in clutch. For us, this is going to be a COSTCO heat. We tested it out on the hard water stains, on the shower doors and in the chrome. We tested out the scratches and oxidation, how it worked on the Land Cruiser and on the Evo. We also tested out on the hazy fog lights on the Land Cruiser, and it passed all of our tests. So one of the downsides that we came across was the wipe is a little bit smaller, so it's not going to work on your larger areas. Turtle Wax, however, does sell a bottled version of this magic potion, which we will link down below, and you can use that if you have larger areas that you're trying to restore. Full disclaimer, we are not sponsored by Turtle Wax, but we are available if you're watching. All right, so let's talk about value. At Costco online, they're selling these for $29.99 for a pack of 24, or Amazon sells them for $12.99 for a pack of 8. If you can find these in your store, $12.99 for a pack of 12 is a deal. So grab them if you can. All of the information and details will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned because we've got more new products and reviews coming your way. See you in the next one.